हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए सीखते हैं फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है. What is a fraction? First, let us understand what is a fraction. A fraction shows a part of a whole when something is divided into equal parts. Example: whole. Look at this apple. This is a whole apple. The whole apple is one complete object. Apple cut into two parts. Now let us cut this apple into two equal parts. These two parts are equal in size. One part taken, one half. If we take one part of the apple, we say it is 1 by 2. We write it as 1 by 2. This is called 1 half. Meaning of 1 by 2. Here, 1 means one part is taken, 2 means the apple is divided into two equal parts. So, 1 by 2 means one part out of two equal parts. Parts of a fraction. Every fraction has two parts. The top number is called the numerator. The bottom number is called the denominator. Numerator. The numerator tells us how many parts we take. It is written on the top. Denominator. The denominator tells us how many equal parts. The whole is divided into. It is written at the bottom. Orange example. Now look at this orange. The orange is divided into 4 equal parts. Two parts taken, 2 by 4. If we take two parts of the orange, we write the fraction as 2 by 4. Here, 2 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Another example, banana. Let us take a banana. The banana is cut into 3 equal parts. One part taken, 1 by 3. If we take one part, the fraction is 1 by 3. This means one part out of 3 equal parts. Equivalent fractions. Now let us learn something new. Some fractions look different but have the same value. These are called equivalent fractions. Example: 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. 1 half of an apple is the same as 2 parts out of 4. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example: 2 by 5, 1 by 4, 3 by 7. Improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. Example: 5 by 5, 7 by 4. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a fraction together. Example: 11 by 2, 23 by 4. Fractions in daily life. We see fractions in daily life. We see fractions in fruit, pizza, cake, chocolate, and bread. Fractions are all around us. Summary. Today we learned what is a fraction, part of a fraction, fruit example, equivalent fraction, type of fractions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.